Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Exposure, plus 0.2. Contrast, plus 75. Highlights, minus 50. Shadows, plus 15. Whites, minus 35. Blacks, minus 50. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Temp, minus 15. Tint, minus 15. Vibrance, plus 55. Saturation, plus 20. Open color mix. Red. Saturation, minus 91. Luminance, plus 15. Orange. Saturation, minus 93. Luminance, plus 16. Yellow. Hue, minus 50. Saturation, minus 95. Luminance, plus 10. Green. Hue, minus 70. Saturation, minus 100. Luminance, plus 8. Aqua. Saturation, minus 100. Blue. Saturation, -100. Purple. Saturation, -99. Magenta. Saturation, -98. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +215. Saturation, +10. Luminance, +65. Move to midtones. Luminance, +50. Change the highlights. Luminance, +50. Blending, +80. Balance, +30. Open the Effects section. Clarity, -25. Vignette. Amount, -10. Midpoint, +30. Roundness, -40. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.